Looking for a true cabin in the woods experience with modern comfort and serious rental potential? Welcome to 46 Upper Red River Valley Road. This Upper Valley gem borders national forest land and offers sweeping mountain views in every direction. Inside, the open floor plan creates a bright, inviting space with 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and everything you need for a perfect mountain stay. Designed for comfort, but made for the mountains, this cabin blends warmth, function, and style. MLS number 13019, listed at $468,000. This Upper Valley cabin is your chance to own a piece of Red River that truly backs up to nature. Call us today at Calhoun Real Estate for more details.